In this video, I'm going to share with you the most powerful astral projection technique. I have been certified to teach this technique that I've used to help thousands of people with, so I know that if you do exactly what I tell you to do in this video, that you will experience astral projection and higher states of consciousness for yourself. Jumping right in, I'm going to share with you the exact steps of the technique, and then I'm going to share with you why this is so powerful and how you can set yourself up so that you can effortlessly and naturally experience astral projection. This is a meditation technique, and the first step of this extremely simple meditation technique is to take a comfortable seated position. You could sit anywhere, on a cushion, on a chair, on a couch, anywhere where you are in an alert but calm and relaxed posture. This could easily be done by sitting in a half lotus or a cross-legged position, but the important thing is that you are sitting up in a comfortable position, because this is the perfect posture for you to maintain a calm and relaxed but alert mindset that is required in order to have these experiences. There's a sweet spot between being alert and being calm and relaxed that you'll need to maintain your position in if you want to sustain an astral projection experience. And by sitting up in a comfortable position, that makes it the easiest way possible to maintain that position. That is the easiest way to maintain your mindset in a calming and relaxed way. Step number 2 is to place your attention on your breath, the inhales and the exhales, noticing the sensations that you are experiencing in your body with each inhale and each exhale. You can begin by taking a few deep breaths, and whenever you can feel yourself calming down, then you can continue with natural breathing. Step number 3 is to simply notice whenever you have wandered off into thoughts, feelings, or emotions, and to simply use that noticing point as an opportunity to return your attention back to your breath. You can do this by taking deep inhales and exhales, allowing your mind and your body to relax again, and then return back to natural breathing where you are maintaining your attention on your breath. Continuing to notice the sensations that you are experiencing in your body with each inhale and exhale. This is a process that you will continuously do, and the more that you practice it in a single setting, the more calm and relaxed your mind will be. Whenever your mind is calm and relaxed, people report a feeling of clarity and a greater sense of awareness, not only of themselves but what's going on around them. And as you continue to practice and get deeper with the experience, that level of awareness begins to expand to higher and higher levels. This technique is so powerful because it makes astral projection a natural byproduct of becoming more and more consciously aware. For example, it's easy to see ourselves from a bird's eye view for a few moments, but then we become distracted and that we lose that perspective. But this exercise of meditation trains your ability to not only maintain that perspective, but also to go beyond and see yourself from higher and higher perspectives. And because this is a natural exercise, you gain a stronger connection with what you are experiencing in a way that feels just as real as what we are experiencing right now. This helps you to relate the experience to your everyday life so that you can benefit from what you are experiencing with higher states of consciousness. Is this astral projection technique making sense? If yes, then type in astral projecting in the comment section below. Finally, I'm going to share with you how to set yourself up for success so that you can effortlessly and naturally experience astral projection. First thing that you can do is to tidy up and organize your environment. One of my favorite books is called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, and in that book, Marie Kondo, who is an organizational expert, explains that our outer environment greatly influences how we feel on the inside. And so if we want to have a very calming, relaxing, and positive experience, then we need to create an environment that reinforces the experience that we want to have. So a way that you can do this is just tidy up and organize your environment, and perhaps even set it up in a way that makes you feel positive. You can surround yourself with things that make you feel good. Maybe even light some candles or have some incense burning so that there is a positive feeling that you are continuously sensing while you're having these experiences. Next thing that you can do is to stretch your body so that your experiences can last much longer. Typically, whenever you are sitting for 30 minutes to an hour, you may eventually begin to feel some pain or discomfort with the position that you are sitting in. But by stretching your muscles before you practice gives you a much more comfortable feeling that you can remain in while you're having the experiences for a longer period of time. This way you won't get distracted with any sort of pain or discomfort that you might be experiencing if you practice astral projection for lengthy periods of time. And finally, the last thing that you can do to set yourself up for success is to listen to a guided meditation. It's incredibly easy to follow the instructions that I've given you, but whenever you are in the middle of the exercise and you might find yourself becoming distracted, it's incredibly important to know exactly what you need to do to return yourself back away from the distraction and into a calming and relaxed state of mind through which the astral projection experience rises from. And so listening to a guided meditation is a great way that you can be consistently reminded of what you should be doing throughout the exercise so that you can progress through the experience, getting more and more calm and relaxed as the exercise goes along, ultimately leading to you having an astral projection experience that you can talk about with other people who you practice astral projection with. And I have a guided meditation that is specialized in helping people to practice astral projection. I essentially hold you by the hand and lead you along the experience, giving you instruction along the way so that it can ultimately lead you into having an astral projection experience for yourself. It will be incredibly helpful to you if you are someone who is a beginner at practicing astral projection, and all you have to do to receive my free astral projection guided meditation is to click the link in the description section below. If you would like to learn more about how to practice astral projection in an incredibly easy and effective way, then check out my playlist titled How to Astral Project. Smash the like button on this video if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next video, I love you all. Peace.